Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Analytics for your dropshipping business, beginner guide step by step clearly. Create a Google Analytics account by visiting the Google Analytics website. Click on the Start for Free button to create a new account. Fill in your account name and adjust the data sharing settings according to your preferences. Click on the Next button to continue. In the Property Setup section, enter your property name, select your reporting time zone, and choose your currency. Click on Next to proceed. Complete the Business Information section by selecting your industry category and business size. Click on Create to finalize your property setup. Review and accept the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to the Setup Assistant. Select Web as your platform for tracking. Enter your website URL and provide a name for your data stream. Choose how you want to measure your app or website's performance. Click on Create Stream to finish this step. After creating the stream, you'll be presented with your measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID, as you will need it for your website. If you are using Shopify, navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store and then Preferences. In the Google Analytics section, paste your measurement ID into the provided field. For WooCommerce users, you'll need a plugin for Google Analytics integration. Install and activate a suitable Google Analytics plugin. Follow the plugin instructions to link your Google Analytics account. Make sure to enable enhanced e-commerce tracking for more detailed insights. Return to Google Analytics and navigate to real-time reports to verify if data is being collected. Test your website to ensure that Google Analytics tracks your visitors properly. After a few days, explore the audience, acquisition, and behavior reports to gain insights. Customize your dashboard by creating goals tailored to your dropshipping business objectives. Set up events and conversions to better understand customer interactions with your site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.